Hi guys, so today I have a video sponsored by Tonic for you guys for their new designer's choice. It is the Fantasy Floral Frame, I believe it's called, and they did send this item free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. You guys, I'm getting all caught up because look how cute this is. So I happen to just receive this, and I know it's already listed there on the Tonic site that it's $9.99 US dollars or 9.99 pounds, and with the designer's choice, it's always a $2 shipping. Reduced shipping, unless you order other items, which might be like the weekend bundles that they have, or anything else you pick up, of course, if you're shopping their site. All kinds of amazing dyes and papers and things. It'll go back to the regular price of shipping, right? But if you're only picking up this guy, oh my gosh, how adorable. You get that reduced shipping. Look how cute this is. This is the cutest. I really like this idea. I feel like this is, like for an A2, it's like 5.5 inches tall, and, I'm trying to find like the wider areas of it. It's, just over 4 inches in the other direction. So definitely an A2 size die set. Look at how many dies are on this. This is the outer die. This one right here cuts its own outer area. It's not just like an inlay, but it has the edge, right? So it's going to cut basically a matte layer because this center part won't be cut out. Unless you match it up with this guy, then you're going to have a frame that's that plus that, and then it'll be a frame. This guy has the little dots in it, right? This one is an inlay layer. This one is an arch layer with the little dots. And then we have an inlay that goes around that if you would like. And then we have another arch kind of layer here with a little dotting, and then this little inlay. This is going to make an amazing card, I can tell already. Like, this is going to be so much fun. So I'm going to grab some paper and just get to it. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, to start, I have an A2 size card base here, just ready to go. 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4.25, so it's 4.25 by 5.5. And I just picked out some colors, a little spring, a little fresh, a little fun with the gold. I'm going to put it to the side for now, though, because it freaks out my camera. So with these guys, I think what I'm going to do is take this bright white smooth card. I'm going to cut, I'm going to cut it from the ballet pink. So we're going to have a pink background that's going to be on the white card base. And then I'm going to cut this guy. Again, it cuts its own edge and everything, so it's not an inlay, out of the white. Run that through. From the mirror card, I'm going to cut this together. So this next layer together, just like this. And whenever you put dies together, you make sure you tape them down, obviously on the paper, not this plastic, but you take your paper out, you tape it down so they don't move, and you run that through. So together it'll make that. And this will be solid gold in the center here with all this prettiness. And when I layer that on top of this guy, the white will show through from behind there, right? Okay, so we have that. And then on this light blue one, what I'm going to do is pair these guys up together also. So we're going to have a light blue little frame where the gold that's left in the inside of this area is going to show through these little openings, but just there. And then we're going to go back to this guy here. So we have the light blue. What I'm going to do on this one is, again, go ahead and cut this out of the ballet pink. So we're bringing the pink back. And then I'm going to layer them together. Again, tape them down and run through the smooth card in the white. So those are going to be my layers, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have a few, the layers cut here. I think this is everything. I did cut this one with this guy inside because, honestly, no one's going to know that that's been cut from there. So if you want to save some paper that way. And I am going to clean these guys out. So I'm just going to do this, but I just want to show you right quick. So that way I'll just get them all put together. Yeah, I just got to clean all these guys out. So then I'm just going to glue them together. So I'm going to glue those two layers together. Once I have that cleaned out. And look at this. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. Oh, love a mirror card. So I'm going to clean all these guys out. And if anything needs to be glued together, like, this layer on top of this one, I will do that. This guy is his own layer, and that's going to be layering on top of this. And with that gold kind of shining through there. And then this is going to be on top of here. Oh, lovely. Okay, let me clean these out. And then, like I said, I'll just glue them together. Not all the layers, just these guys, the ones that have the kind of like a frame layer to them. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey guys, so to stick this down on the very edges, I like my little trick. My little spot's gone. Just put some glue on the back of my hand and just patted this little delicate area all over that glue, and there it is. I think I'm going to put all the layers flat, even though oh, I was gonna say I didn't glue this, but there's a little glue on the edges, so it's stuck together. because there are quite a few layers, but I'm also going to put a sentiment or something on here, so I'm going to pop that up, I think. So with all these beautiful layers, we're going to keep them flat, and then we'll go a little more popped up with the sentiment. This set is just shaker ready. If you think about all the different layers and the way you can put them in and out there, I think, in my opinion, it's very much a nice set for shakers, right? Because even with that square, like the one that came off of this guy, you can just take this outer frame, right, and have popped it in here, so then that's carved out, and then you can shaker it or shaker the next one, the little arched frame area. I mean, there's just lots of opportunity for that. I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the center here. Sometimes when you put a wet glue on paper like this, it'll make it so that it does something funky on this outside, so just know that when you go to apply the glue, just to be careful with this. So I'm going to be very selective with where I place it, and I put it in that area because I know it's going to be covered up anyway. And I see there's a little piece of something right here that I still need to pop out. There we go. And I'm going to put this here, and hopefully, I don't know about hopefully, but if you can see what I'm talking about, maybe you can see where I put the glue. It kind of does something like this to the paper, and sometimes it evens out, but just know that when you're working with something delicate like this kind of paper. And yeah, I'm putting my sleeve on there because I don't want to put a lot of fingerprints. Just cleaning that up. So pretty. Oh, yep, there I am. Hi guys. And then this guy. And I'll just glue him down the same way just because that seems the best areas to put the glue. These colors are so soft and just lovely. I was also going to bring out some like pastel yellow. I think that'd be lovely, or a lavender color. Really pretty. And this last layer, I just wanted to pull the same color from the background up to the front, which was this. So easy to work with. And you know, you don't need this last layer if you want to pop something in there, or you have a little image or something else you want to use. Definitely do it that way. Oh, hold on. Let's get this guy straight. And then this guy moved on me a little bit because it's a metallic paper, so it takes a little bit longer for the Nouveau Deluxe to set up. So I'm going to move that back where I want it. About there. Okay, and I'm going to go grab a sentiment, but for now, I know my lights like to wash things out. This is where we're at. Look at that gold. And the way it even shines through right here. So pretty. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay guys, just to finish this off, I am going to use some Clear Mark embossing ink. And then I was going to go with gold, but I thought, oh, you know what, this is really pretty. The Nouveau embossing powder and fairy dust. Just a pink to bring that pink back out. And so what I'm going to do is stamp this. And I just have a stamp set here. It's actually a tag set that I picked up recently from Tonic. And it's this one here. It has the stamps, and then it has dies that coordinate with them. But I think what I'm going to do is on your special day. Oh, sending lots of love is pretty too. Oh, they're all happy birthday to you. I mean, whatever it is. And a lot of times I like to try things out. Ooh, maybe we'll do thank you so much. Let's do that one. I was going to use on your special day, but we'll do this one. This one looks like a seal. I think it'd be really pretty in gold. So let's go with this guy. And the reason I'm using a stamping press is because I want to make sure that I get it really watermarked. Okay, so again, it is clear. It's not the easiest thing to see, and you don't really want to rub. You don't want it too juicy, but you do want every area to have something. So let's do that. And if you wanted to, you could have used a little embossing buddy to help you not have any static electricity, but I think this ought to do it. I just want to make sure it's, you know, it is hard to see because it's clear. That looks pretty good to me. Maybe in this top corner. No, I can see that it's there. Okay. And if, you know, I missed anything, I'll do it again. Basically meaning I'll stamp somewhere else in a different spot. Let's put that on there. And normally I do this on top of or over a coffee filter, and then I use that filter to help me funnel it back. But since I use this precision press, I don't have that right now. So I am going to funnel this back in here. Let me get another scrap piece of paper. Just making sure I have that embossing powder on every area. And if you don't, just do it again. This is that white cardstock. It is very firm, so it does not want to flex for me. But again, I could pour this onto a different piece of paper and then go back, you know, off of here. Oh, look at that. So I'm going to hit that with a heat tool, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just going to clean up a little bit. I have this little Nouveau brush I got a long time ago. That's pretty much what I use it for. And I'll just take the, probably just the ring, this one here. I don't think I'm going to layer it up. And place that on there and cut that out. Now let me try to get this out. There we go. So it has like tags, and it also has just like the rings, which are really nice. Oh, the tag is really cute too, but I think I was just going to cut out a ring like that. Again, if you wanted to back it up with something else, you could also do that. Or the little ring here, just to show you. Okay, but I'm going to run that through. Sorry, I know it's very bright, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have my little guy here. Again, if you want to back it up, you can definitely do that. And, you know, I don't really want to cover up any of this gorgeousness, so I'm going to put this down at the corner, I think, here. And it just says, thank you so much. And there it is, guys. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much, Tonic, for sending these items for a review. I'll have some images coming up. I'll have the link in the description box. Again, for this month, for this set, little A2 set is $9.99 with that reduced $2 shipping if you're only picking up the designer's choice. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll have some images coming up, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.